Hello everyone, my name is Aytaç and this is SITU, Silence in the Universe. I'm a city planner, but my passion has always been cosmology. And one question has fascinated me more than any other. Where is everyone? English is not my first language, but my curiosity for universe goes beyond words. So, let's explore together. The universe is vast, ancient, and full of stars like our sun. So, why don't we hear anyone? Why is space so silent? Long ago, on a quiet night in the Anatolian steppes, a young shepherd named Evren watched over his flock. The air was cool, carrying the scent of dry grass and distant earth. The wind brushed against his face, sending a faint shiver down his spine. He could feel the rough wool of his cloak, worn through many seasons under the open sky. He could hear the gentle rustling of his sheep, the occasional snort of a restless animal. In the distance, a dog barked from a village, and beyond that, the low hum of an old car echoed across the hills. The world around him was full of noises and full of life. But when he looked up at the sky, there was nothing. Just silence. The stars flickered like distant fires, scattered across the void. He knew each one was a sun, maybe even with words of his own. Yet, unlike the villages below, full of people he could talk to, there was no sign of life up there. No voices, no whispers, only an endless cosmic hush. A strange, uneasy taste filled his mouth, bitter, like unripe fruit. The thought struck him. What if it was truly empty? What if the silence wasn't the waiting for to be broken, but was all there ever was? The question is not new. It was asked most famously in 1950 by the physicist Enrico Fermi, and it became known as the Fermi Paradox. The paradox is simple. The universe is ancient, over 13 billion years old. There was billions of galaxies, and every galaxy has billions of planets where life could evolve. If even a small fraction of those planets develop civilizations, then the galaxy should be full of them. But when we look and listen, we see nothing and we hear nothing. So, where is everyone? Some say we are alone. Some say we are not looking hard enough. And some say civilizations destroy themselves before they can be heard. Evren listens carefully. Maybe, just maybe, the silence is not emptiness. Maybe it's an invitation, a mystery waiting to be solved. An invitation calling us to reach for the skies. The universe is silent. But is it silent because no one's there? Or because we are not yet ready to hear? This is just the beginning. In the future episodes, we'll explore possible answers to the Fermi Paradox, from cosmic disasters to alien civilizations that may be hiding, to the idea that we might not even be listening in the right way. And along the way together, we might find answers never been imagined. If you are as curious as I am, join me on this journey. This is Aytaç, this is SITU, and together we will explore the silence in the universe.